Ashtanga Yoga, that means the yoga with 8 limbs, is very famous in today's time. But do you know there was something known as Shadanga Yoga also? Now, the first 2 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga are known as yams and niyams. That means basically they are talking about your social responsibilities, your behavior towards society. So they are known as interpersonal skills. And niyam is known as intrapersonal skills, wherein you are focusing on your personal behavior. Now, Shadang Yoga did not have these two in it. So it had the other limbs. So that was Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. Why do you think these 2 limbs were omitted in Satyug and in Treta Yuga from Yoga? It is because every human was so much deep down into dharma that these basics were taken care of. There was no need for a separate training for how to behave with society, in society, or how to take care of your own self. These were the basics that were needed if you wanted to learn yoga from any guru. If you're not established into this, you would not be admitted into any ashram by any guru. Today, sadly, these are looked down upon, they are counted as theory, they are counted as something that is not so important. The focus is only on asanas, and in some schools of yoga, it is on pranayam and meditation. And they are all bifurcated, separated completely as if these are different pieces, but no, they are all a part which completes the yoga philosophy and yoga as such. So practice yams and niyams so that they become a part of your lifestyle. And even while practicing Ashtang Yoga, you are actually practicing Shadang Yoga. See you soon. Namaste. Please like, share, and subscribe.